about 6:30 at night. We started at what time? 8 or 9. Getting the fixture set up, modifying the fixture, modifying the parts to work. And we've got one bin done, and we reamed a whole bunch of holes. And now we've got one tube started on Chris's 15th anniversary motorcycle. We're using the cast stainless frame components from Knuckle Choppers. John took care of us on that, and basically we're starting with the lower frame rails, and hopefully by the end of the night we'll have that done, and maybe a backbone and rear legs. We'll see how long we hold up or how many beers we put down.